Okay, everyone, so first things first, take your piece of paper and fold it long ways. So you want to meet those corners to the best of your ability and make a really nice crease. Okay, just like this. Next, you're gonna fold it short ways, or hamburger style, not like that. Why? As many times as I've done this, I still mess it up sometimes. Okay, so as you just saw, I was really careful to make sure those corners line up. So then you can crease it on one side, line up your other corners, crease it on the other. And then you have that nice guideline right down the center each way. So then you're gonna fold these two outside edges to meet that crease in the middle, okay? I'm gonna do that over here because it's just a little bit easier when I'm not looking straight at the camera. Okay, so here you go, just like this. Gonna make sure those creases are nice again. So you should have 8 little rectangles on your paper now. Then you're gonna refold it hamburger style, and you'll see, let's see, the lighting is not great. Let's just crease this one more time so you can see it just a little better. Yeah, there you go. So now that it's folded hamburger style, you're gonna make sure that the open part is facing upward. And then you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut along the crease straight down the middle until you get to the other center crease. That wasn't perfectly even, but it'll be okay. So it's gonna look just like that. Then you'll open up your paper and you're gonna take this opening right here and you're gonna kind of like fold it in such a way that it makes a plus sign. Now, I know that can seem complicated, so I'm gonna show it to you a couple of times. This is the part that always kind of confuses me in the tutorials. So you have your paper like this. You have your opening in the middle. You're gonna make sure that all that's separated, okay? So you're like kind of pinching it like this. And you wanna make sure that these parts get creased at the top. Okay, so this is hamburger style, right? You're pinching these. Okay, hopefully that's a good explanation. If not, feel free to comment. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. So then you have your zine. That is it. That is all there is to this project, and then you can do whatever you want on it. You don't have to have staples, you don't have to have tape. You just have a nice little book just from folding a piece of paper. So I'm gonna show that one more time. If I can find my crease. Okay, like this, like this. Make sure all of your creases are really nice right there at the top. And then you're gonna fold, fold, and fold, and that's it. Pretty simple. Hope you enjoy it.